Am I audible? Rani Bannur, Chikkodi, good afternoon. Radhe Radhe, okay. Attorney, Dharwad, good afternoon. Hare Krishna, okay. So, Radhe Radhe, yes. Radhe Radhe. Hi, hi. Yes, okay. Hi, yes. Hi. Good afternoon, okay. Jai Sri Ram, okay. Jai Sri Ram, okay. Saripa Saku. Okay, let's get started now. Okay, so last class, can you open your notes? How many problems we solved? Integrals. I think in your class we solved 12 questions last session. Check. Yes? Can you open the notes? Let us quickly revisit. We solved, right? On substitution and all. Yes or no? Are you able to see those questions? Yes, we discussed 12 questions, I think, last class. Yeah, so we'll continue. Today I'll discuss mainly from your exercise 7.3. Exercise 7.3 is mainly about what? About trigonometric functions. Alva? Yes. So I'll pick up questions from there. I want you to try, okay, and let me know how to solve, etc. So we'll start with previous year questions madonvappa first. Yes? Okay. So I'll start with the previous year questions. This came in 2023 CET. Okay. Easy question. I'll give you the options also. You can use the poll. Anybody would like to say first step? ಬೇರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ. What is the first step, students? First step ಹೇಳಿಪ್ಪ, what do you think we should do? Cosecant ಅನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? What is cosecant? Atani, students, you have the notebooks. All of you should have the notebooks open. 1 by sin x ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ಸೊ cosecant ಅನ್ನ 1 by sin x ಅಂತ ಬರಿ. Isn't it? Now can you take LCM? What do you get? Root of 1 minus, you all answer, students, quickly. Okay. Option A, are you sure? What is 1 minus sin square x? It is cos square, right? Root of that will become cos x and denominatorly root sin x. This is cos square x. Cos square and root will get cancelled. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Should put sin x as t. Cos x dx will become dt. Yes, students? So ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? dt by root t. And anyone knows direct answer? What is integral of 1 by root t? 1 by root t is 2 root t. Okay. And t ಎಷ್ಟು? What is t? T is sin x. So which is the answer, students? Option A. Okay. This is KCET 2023 question. Is it easy or difficult? What do you say? Dharwad students, easy or difficult? Easy, yes. So please note down. I'll give you a minute. All of you write down. Chikkodi students, please write down. Let me know once you're done, then I'll give you the next question. Done, students? Okay, next one also appeared in the same year, 2023 only. 1 by 1 plus 3 sine square x plus 8 cos square x dx. Okay. This is also KCET 2023. Any thoughts how to solve this? Yes. Students, any idea? What do you think should be our approach here? How much is sine square x plus cos square x? Hey, students, why today Mauna Vrata all are doing this one? What is sine square x plus cos square x? 1. So can I not club 3 sine square x plus 3 cos square x? How much will that be? That will be 3, right? Or ishtella tale kediskolbedi, you divide every term by cos square x. Okay, divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So numerator alli 1 by cos square x anta barutte. Denominator allu ella term gu divide ಮಾಡಿ. Can anyone tell me why did I divide by cos square x? What did I achieve by dividing by cos square x? Anybody, students? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos square cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? What will this become? Tan. Now if I put tan x as t, what is the derivative of tan x? Tan x derivative ಏನಪ್ಪ? Secant square. Is this not secant square x? Yes or no? So secant square x dx, that will become dt. Okay, so then put tan x as t. Secant square x dx becomes dt. So iga numerator is secant square x dx, adu dt agate. And illi secant square x dt anta ಕೆಳಗಡೆ substitute ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. You should substitute in terms of t. So tan x is t. I know that secant square x is 1 plus tan square x. And tan x is t. So secant square x can be written as what? 1 plus tan square x anta. So I'll do that in the next step. So tan x ಗೆ t ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬಹುದು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ t square plus 1 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬಹುದು. So what do you get now? Get integral dt by 4t square plus how much? 9, isn't it? Yes or no, students? Now pull out 4. I'll tell you why I want to pull out 4. ಆಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೀ ಟಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 9/4, 9/4 ಅಂದರೆ 3/2 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. Did you understand this step, students, everyone? This is looking like which identity, students? In your exercise 7.4, you have studied one identity, dx integral 1/x square plus a square. What is the answer for this? What is the answer for 1/x square plus a square ka integral? It is 1/a tan inverse x by a. Yes or no, students? So ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what you will get answer, students? How much is a there? So ಇದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 1/a, a is 3/2 tan inverse x by a. Denominator will go up. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So last step ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? 1/6 tan inverse t. What is t? T is tan x. Yes or no, students? Okay, note down. Very good question. So what is the learning from the second question? Whenever in denominator sine square and cos square comes, what should be your first step? You should divide both numerator and denominator by what? Divided by cos square x. Then put tan x as t. Okay, secant square x dx will become dt, and denominator secant square anna dt anta baribardu. You should write it as 1 plus t square. Any doubts, Rani Bennur students?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Okay. Dharwad students, any doubts?
No, sir.
Chikkodi students, are you able to understand? Chikkodi, you are able to understand, or you want me to repeat? Okay. Okay, so this is our second question. There's one more very good question that came in 2022 based on trigonometric functions. Okay, we'll do that. Third question. Integral cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by and the 4 options are Okay. This is KCET 2022. I'll give you 1 minute. Think option C, direct. But how to solve? What was the method? Method heli. What do you think should be our method? Yes. Very good, very good. Chikkodi in Dalvapa. This is? Yes. Thank you. Put cos 2x as 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2 alpha ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 cos square alpha minus 1 ಅಂತ. Can you substitute that in the numerator? Next step ಏನಪ್ಪ? What is next step? This minus 1 will get cancelled. So what will you get next? 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಹೊರಗೆ. ಹೇಳಿಪ್ಪ ವಾಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್.
cos square x
ಎಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್
minus cos square x
cos square alpha. Very good. Divided by cos x minus cos. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? What is this? This is like a square minus b square. How can you write a square minus b square as? A plus b into a minus b. Very good. So I'll write it as a plus b.
plus cos alpha
A minus b will anyway get cancelled.
cos x minus cos alpha
Alva?
divided by cos x minus cos alpha.
So this will get cancelled. So now just integration of this. What is integral cos? Yes, integral of cos x is sin x. What is integral cos alpha? Cos alpha, is it a constant or not? Yes or no? It's a constant. So how do you integrate a constant a? When you integrate a, what do you get? A into x. Adhe tara cos alpha is a constant. So when you integrate, you will get x into cos alpha. Sorry, correct, x into cos alpha, right? Plus c. So which is the right answer? Option C. Yes. Yes, very good. Note down, students. Is it very tough or is it easy? What do you say? Okay, okay. So cos 2 theta ge ಏನಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? 2 cos square x minus 1 ಅಂತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ a square minus b square ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Is it done, students? Yes or no? Okay. Okay, so next what I want to solve is, I think you have learnt one identity in your NCRT in integration by parts. Integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x. What is the answer for this? E power x into f of x plus c. Based on this also, many CET questions have come. Okay, I will give you 1 or 2 CET questions. Helappa. Yes, yes. Helappa. Any doubts? Nothing? Okay. Nothing. Okay, okay. So now let us do one or two questions based on that. Let us see if you can solve it. Okay, two questions came in 2021 on the same concept. Okay. Okay, we'll do both of them. First one. Okay, this is the first one. KCT 2020. First step ಹೇಳಬೇಕು students. What do you think should be our first step? Yes, Rani Benur? What is 1 plus cos theta? There is a formula for 1 plus cos theta. Anyone remembers? 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. And 1 minus cos theta andre 2 sin square theta. Okay, so ಈಗ 1 plus cos x ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ 2 cos square x by 2. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ ಟು ಬೋತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ದೆನ್? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 by cos square? 1 by cos square ಎಷ್ಟು? 1 by cos square sec square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. e raised to x tan x by 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ sin x ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? sin x ಅನ್ನು we can write sin x as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. You understood what we are doing in the second term, students? ಈ sin x ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಪ್ಪ? sin x ಅನ್ನು I am writing as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Like sin 2 theta formula ಥರ. Okay. Any doubts in this step? Did you understand? Rani Benur students? 1 divided by this. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? Okay, I'll repeat it. 1 divided by this. Okay, understood. Okay. And then sin x. Sin x ಗೆ I am substituting this. Done. Okay, now what next? Next ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? You tell me. This and this will get cancelled. ಒಂದು cos x by 2 gets cancelled. So you will get e power x into half secant square x by 2 plus tan x by 2. Now obviously if I consider this as f of x, what is the derivative of tan x by 2? Secant square x by 2 into derivative of x by 2, which is 1 by 2. So this is f dash. So what is the answer then? Answer is e power x. Not f dash. E power x into f, which is f. F is second term here. Okay, are you clear, students? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, note down. I'll give you a minute if you want to. Then we'll do the next one. Let me know once you're done. Done, students? Okay. So, so now we'll do one more question. Similar type. Okay, this also appeared in the same year, 2021. Question is e power x into x by I think this question is there in your NCRT textbook as it is kottidare. NCRT inda. Any idea, students, what should be our approach here? Very good. Write x as uh, x plus 1 minus 1. And now you divide the denominator to both. ಅಲ್ವಾ ಎಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಅಲ್ವಾ ಈ ಥರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಇ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟು 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Now tell me, which is looking like f of x, which is looking like derivative? Which is f of x? This is your f of x. And what is derivative of 1 by x? 1 by x ka derivative is minus 1 by x square. So this is your f dash. So what is the final answer, children? Into f of x. Is it clear? Yes? Okay, please note down. Everyone, Chikkodi students, I see some of you are not writing down. I want everyone to note down. Okay. Done?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, okay. Let me know once it is done. Okay. Aitapa? Okay. Okay, now let's move to the sixth one. How do you integrate questions like this? Any idea, students? What is there in the denominator? Denominator alli enide? It's like a sin x plus b cos x. ಈ ಥರ ಇದೆ denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ, isn't it? Anybody would like to suggest? ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಂತ? ಎನಿ ಐಡಿಯಾ? Okay, please note down. Whenever we have a sin x plus b cos x divide by root of a square plus b square. Of course, you can't just divide, you should multiply and divide by. Multiply and divide by root of a square plus b square. Can you repeat what is the step that we need to do? Multiply and divide by root of, Helipa, what you should do? Multiply and divide by root of a square plus?
A square plus B square.
Can you tell me how much is a and how much is b here? A sin x. What is a here? What is next to sin x? 1. What is b? Root 3. So how much is root of a square plus b square? How much is that? It's root 4 or 2. Correct? Yes. So what I will do, as I have written there, you should multiply and divide. So I will divide here half sin x I have divided, so I should also multiply. Is this step understood, students? Did you understand what we are doing here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now some students will ask, sir, why should we divide by root a square plus b square? ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Now look at this. Is 1 by 2 looking like cos 60? Cos 60 degree ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? How much is cos 60 degree? Half. What is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Andre, when you do this step, no, divide by root a square plus b square, ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಆಗಿಬಿಡತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಬೈ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ a square plus b square. Okay? Classroom 21 Chikkodi, girls, first bench. Where are you? You are looking somewhere. Archana ma'am, I'll nodi. Next step ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ? Now look at the denominator. How is it looking like? It's looking like sin x cos 60 plus cos x sin 60. ಯಾವುದಾದ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಪ್ಪ ಇದನ್ನು? ವಾಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್? sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin of a plus b. So ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ sin of x plus 60 degree. 60 degree ಅಂದರೆ pi by 3. Yes. Who can tell me next step, students? How do you integrate this? Easy. 1 by sin. 1 by sin andre ಏನಪ್ಪ? What is 1 by sin?
Cosec.
Cosec. And what is integral cosec? Integral cosec theta? Yes, log of cosecant x minus cos x. So idanna next step it will become like this, half integral cosecant and that will become log mod cosecant x minus cot x. Any doubts with this step, students?
No, sir.
Now,
No, sir.
now I made a mistake. Who can spot the mistake in the last step? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ? Cos. But what is integral? Integral cosecant is log of cosecant x minus cot x ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕೆಲವು ಸತಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಫರ್ದರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ cosecant theta minus cot theta? Can you simplify this further? How will you simplify this further? Yes, cosecant ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು? cosecant ಅನ್ನು 1 by sin and cot ಅನ್ನು cos by sin, isn't it? So I'll write this as 1 by sin minus cos by sin. So it will become 1 minus cos theta by sin. Next step, 1 minus cos theta. What is the identity for 1 minus cos theta? 2 sin square theta by 2. And denominator will be 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 cancel, sin theta by 2 cancel. So what will remain? Very good. Tan theta by 2. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್? ಹಾಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಬೈ 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ pi by 6. Did you understand, students? Yes or no, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so note this very important question. Note down. I'll give you 2 minutes. Peacefully write it. Done?
No, sir.
ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what is the learning from this question? Whenever you have a sin x plus b cos x, what is the first step you should do? Multiply and divide by root. ಹಾಂ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಥರ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸೈನ್ ತೀಟಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಸ್ ತೀಟಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಕಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಸೈನ್ ಬಿ ಥರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Is it clear, children? Yes? Okay, pa. We'll go to next one now. Please solve this. Yes, I think you'll easily get this. Let me see. Who can tell me the best approach to solve this question? Yeah, think and tell me. What do you think should be our first step? Any thoughts, students? 1 plus cos 2 theta. ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಲಿ? Put tan square x as t na? Do? Yeah. Very good. Why tan x as t? Because what is 1 plus cos 2 theta? What is 1 plus cos 2 theta? First adana simplify madona. Yes, this will be 2 cos square x alva ee tara barutte. Yes or no, students? Agreed? Children, you understood this part so far? Okay. Now you can solve in many methods actually. Okay. Shall I tell you more easy method here? Now what you do, you write tan square as sin square by cos square. So if you write sin square by cos square, ಏನಾಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಗೆಟ್? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಇದು? What is cos square theta minus sin square theta? What is cos square theta minus sin square theta?
1, sir.
Cos square minus sin square.
Cos 2x.
Cos 2x. So it will be dx divided by 2 cos 2x integral. Now when I take cos in the numerator, what you will get? It will be secant 2x dx. And what is integral of secant theta? Integral of secant theta will be log mod secant 2x plus tan 2x whole divided by 2. Alva? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. So ಈ ತರಾನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಈ ತರಾನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ one other way we can write is like what our friend told. I forgot your name. Last class you told your name. What was your name? This one? ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ಇದು. What he said was, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್. ಇದು dx by what is 1 by cos square? 1 by cos square is secant square. Secant square alva? Now as he said, put tan x as t. So secant square x dx becomes dt. So this will be half dt by 1 minus t square. And I hope you remember the identity for this. What is integral of 1 by a square minus x square? Who knows the formula for this? What is the formula for this? 7.4 exercise ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. What is the answer? 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ? ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ? ಎ ಇಸ್ 1. ಸೊ 1 by 2a, 1 by 2 into 1 to log mod 1 plus t by 1 minus t. And what is t? T is nothing but tan x. Alva? And is this looking like some identity? 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. It's looking like which identity? No. This is tan of pi by 4 plus x. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್? ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ವೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್? ಮೆನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೈಮು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮೇ ಲುಕ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ, this is another possibility. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please note down. One last question and then we'll stop. Okay. Shall I move to the next page? Okay, last question for today. How do you integrate cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x? ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಎನಿಬಡಿ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಸೇ? ನೋ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಸಮ್. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಡು? ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟು sum. So there is a formula 2 cos A cos B. Anyone knows formula for 2 cos A cos B? It is cos A plus B plus cos ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಕಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಸೈನ್ ಬಿ. Here you will get cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So that sin A sin B will get cancelled and you will have 2 cos A cos B. Okay. So what is cos A into cos B then? Cos A into cos B will be half of alva. Now quickly you group these two. ಈ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Let this be A, this is A, this is B. So cos A cos B. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? ಈ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ A ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ. A ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಕಾಸ್ 4x ಪ್ಲಸ್ A ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ 2x ಇಂಟು ಕಾಸ್ 2x. ಈಗ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್, ಕಾಸ್ 4x ಕಾಸ್ 2x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 2x. ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಸಮ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಕಾಸ್ ಬಿ? ಹಾಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 6x ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ 2x. and cos square theta you will write as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Now you multiply 1 by 4 to every term, so you will get integral cos 6x by 4 plus cos 2x by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus cos 4x by 4. Now when you integrate each of them, can you tell me the final answer now? Cos 6x, when you integrate, what you will get? Cos 6x ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? Sin 6x by 6 and 6 4s are 24 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then cos 2x will give sin 2x by 2, so 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then 1 by 4 when you integrate you will get x by 4, and then sin 4x by 16 plus c. Very good. Okay, so I think with this we'll stop. Okay, so note this down, students. Have a nice day. Okay, please share the feedback. So we solved 8 questions. Revise them again at home. Okay, thank you, children. Yes, thank you. Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe, Hare Krishna.